guys, what's up and welcome to Crafts with Car. Today I'm going to be revamping and fixing up these old flip-flops. And I'm going to be trying something new. So let's see if that works. It'll probably be, let's just say, a laughing experience. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And don't forget to also put on post notifications so you'll know whenever I post. Well, without further ado, let's go. First, I'm going to start off with the flip-flops. Now, I'm just going to file off as much of the paint as I can. And I'm going to speed that up for you because it's probably going to take a while. Sanding them down, and let me tell you, there was a lot of paint on this table, but I already cleaned that up. So now I'm just gonna wipe down the sandals because they also have a lot of paint on them. So done. Alright, so honestly I came into this video not really knowing what I was doing, if I'm being honest. Now I don't know what to do with these. Oh yeah, so I've been seeing a few things around YouTube of people hydro dipping. So I'm gonna do that, but with acrylic paint. Never done this before. I really hope this works, because if not, my smiley face will be upside down. Where's my smiley face? Oh no, people, we have a crisis. I can't find the smirking face my friend painted me. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have found it. So yes, what I was saying, if it doesn't work, this will be sad. It will be right here. This is my plate of emotions. I'm gonna stop being weird and actually get into what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna go get a bin big enough for this, or bin, I don't know, container. Still not sure. And then put water in it, like warm water in it, and then put a little bit of acrylic paint in it. And we'll see what happens. So I got me some warm water, and I just put the cloth down because I know myself, I'm very clumsy, so I'm most likely gonna spill water all over the place. So I don't really feel like doing that and then having to clean that up. So yeah, just put this down. So I'm going to grab colors. I'm not sure which colors I'm gonna do. Give me a second. I'm gonna go pick some colors. Oh yeah, I forgot. I should probably paint this white before I do anything, because then it's just gonna be like the colors on top of this right here. This good stuff. What is that? Okay, it's just paint. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and paint the shoes white. Then we will get to hydro dipping. I am so sorry if I am boring you, but yeah. Alright, so I painted my flip-flops. They're still wet, clearly, because I just touched it. That's probably really dumb. But I've chosen my colors to go into Great, I forgot what this is called. To go into this thing. So I'm gonna do bright red and turquoise. I'm just gonna start. Like I said earlier, I've never done this before, so I'm just gonna like almost swirl this around. Whee! Ooh, that looks cool. I didn't think that was gonna sink. Look at that. Ooh. Okay then. So I thought this was gonna. What is happening to my water? Okay, this is very cool looking, but I'm kind of scared. All right, now let's add in some turquoise. Wow. It's gonna look cool once this is done. If this even works. Which, knowing my luck, it probably won't. Ooh. I'll just like stir this up. Or am I gonna ruin it? Watch, I'm gonna ruin it. Oh, I didn't ruin it. Okay, if this works, it's actually gonna look so cool. Alright. I'm gonna wait for my flip-flops to dry. That's gonna take forever, like always. So, yeah, I'll be back when my flip-flops dry. Well, not my flip-flops, you know what I mean. In case you haven't noticed, my creation is gone. That is because after a little while of just sitting, it started mixing in. I thought I could do better. It started turning just like purple, which is great. Purple's great, but not what I want. So I got nail polish and I'm gonna try that because I heard that works. Guess because nail polish is like lighter, it won't sink as much. Ooh, that looks cool. Whew. Okay, that smell is really strong. Whew. Now I'm going to add pink. Because that just seems like a good color scheme. Come on. You wanna come out of the bottle? Hello. Okay, so this clearly doesn't want to come out. I will be back when I have forced this to work. So I grabbed another nail polish because the other pink was just not working and not coming out. So I grabbed another nail polish that was pretty similar to the original color. Now I'm gonna see if my flip-flops are dry. Okay, they're almost dry, and then I can finally do this. I remember the name, Hydro Dip. There we go. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna give my flip-flops another like 2 minutes, and then I can try this. Really hope this works. This is taking a long time, and Alright, the time has come. I am ready to do the hydro dripping, or whatever it is called. I'm gonna take my flip-flop that is still kind of damp, but I don't really care. Okay, I guess I just kind of like dip this in. Suspense. I just go like this. Oh god, I hope this works. That did absolutely nothing. Ooh, let me try that again. Hold up. Okay. So I have been lied to. Nail polish don't work. I don't know what to do now. Alright, this is going in with the fails or something, because Alright, I will still do something to these flip-flops, I swear. I'm so sorry I wasted all your time for this. I should have stuck with the acrylic paint. Okay, well now my hands are like full of... I am so disappointed. Blake. Ugh. I gotta take this off my flip-flop. Give it back. Give me that. Thank you. So that's what happens when you put nail polish in water and then you try to hydro dip. It don't work. Don't do that. Don't do any of that. But you know, I'm gonna leave these flip-flops for another time. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here because these are what the flip-flops look like. If you want one of those like fixing my mistakes videos, I will gladly make one of those because I have many mistakes that I can fix. So just leave that down in the comments down below and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!